We have a lot of deer in our residential area, and they just come right into our yard, and they actually bed down right next to these loquat trees, and these are their favorite trees in our yard. So there was another tree here that they ate the whole thing. They just ate the tree. And then these, they girdled the bark. I mean, they ate all the way around it, and it was a miracle the tree didn't die. And so I had to do something. I was going to lose my whole little loquat grove here. So I found this product at a local hardware store, and it's called deer cloth. And it comes in a roll. It's not expensive. It's a flexible material. And you can't really see it that much, so it's not that offensive as far as aesthetics go. It's twice the width, so this opens up. It's actually doubled over, so it's probably 8 feet wide. And then you take it and you open it up, and on this little tree where they can still reach these upper branches, I put it over the whole tree. And I use this tape that has Velcro on it. And I just put the ends together and Velcro this little tape onto it. So these trees are now protected. And the deer have not touched them since I did this.